Mr. Medanas, Poopa Jesus, me there scroll. Me have to make you listen to this. We are gonna have a discussion about this. We no come make we talk about this because the whole of we are woman. And me, this a piece of, Yeah.
Came down from America. She been hearing things about her husband having a relationship here in Jamaica, and somebody tipped her off that the husband moving him sweetheart slash baby mother into the matrimonial home. She speak to her husband all the while on the phone, and he don't tell her that. He don't tell her say him have no baby mother, nor nothing but persons. You know, people go call her foreign and tell people what going on in life, especially if people know the wife, because that is typical Jamaican. People what happen to them house also. But she said she got the news and she asked him and he bring down God for the cross, say, you know, have no baby mother is a lie. She do a specific work where you will consume all of her time. I cannot talk out the work, me have to tell him the woman thing because she don't want to point too much in her direction. A specific work that consume all of her time. So she don't have much time on the phone with him, but she talk to him on the phone as her husband. And that is the house where she and him live. You understand? Her son big and move out and him and her him living at the house. And her mother sometimes come there. But when her mother is there, like her mother come for weekends or so, nobody not there when the mother go there. She said when she hear of the news that him have a young baby, can't tell you what age baby. And she said people might know it's she, but we just keep it. Out of Jamaica, we know she respectful for her privacy. She said it bothered her because she said people keep on telling her say the girl live at the house. The girl live in her house where she and her husband build together and she live in her. When the time she come to Jamaica here, is there she stay. The husband don't live in America, but he come up sometime, come stay. She asked the husband and the husband said no go so. She took a flight down to Jamaica, went to the house, and when she went to the house, the husband wasn't there. But the girl was there with the baby and the girl knew her, knew about her, and knew say she. So she went there and find the girl cooking in the kitchen. So she said she asked her, what you doing into my house? Who is you? And the girl bluntly tell her, say, my husband, baby mother. And she said, she tell her to leave out of the house. Come out of my house. And the girl said she can't put her out. I fear her husband. And so he said, why I feel broke? The girl said, I fear husband and he's my baby father. So when I come out here, and my child belongs to him. So wait till he come. That is what she tell me. The sweetheart said, I your husband, but I my baby father, I'm a pitney, a female, I'm not come out. Wait till he come. When the husband come, the husband I take side with the baby mother saying can't put out the baby mother because I feel pitney and she don't know if it's like him fearful. I don't know. She said she don't know if it's what the baby mother have over him. But the husband I tell her say he can't put out the baby mother. The baby mother have the pitney female and the baby mother now know if to go with the pitney and he must explain it to her. He must explain it to her. But the baby mother young in her 20s and the wife in her 50s. So she said she's not sleeping in there. And the whole night she did it with him. Their cousin and neighbors draw neighbors' attention. And all the neighbors them tell the baby mother say, come out of the man wife and she come from foreign and a fear on him house. The girl adamant. And she said she not degrade herself and sleep in there with him and the mother. Because him can't tell the baby mother to come out because the baby mother have something over her husband. Because the husband, all the women tell her say I'm sorry for what happened, but him keep on and tell her say he can't put out the baby mother. So she said she had up, have to sleep over her neighbor house. And she's very upset. And now she there over the neighbor house and the baby mother stubborn. She went to the police station. The police tell her, said they cannot do anything. They have to take this to the court. She now go there if to take it to the court. Her husband who she build the house with, them a come from far with, they reach far, a come from far, and the husband I like him a sidestep her. But yet still him a tell her say it happened and him can't go choke the baby mother out of the because he pick me a feel and she don't want to come out, him don't know what to do. So she now dilemma now, she upset and her pressure go. And she said if she go back up a far now, the baby mother I go take charge of her house. And the husband I tell her if he come. Because the baby mother can't stay on one part and I feel pitney and him not turning back because the husband have other children before but she have one child with him. Him not turning back for none of him pitney, them and the baby young. I understand the baby is couple months old, I can't give that. So, I tell her I say I don't know where I was born in Lancashire, so I Jamaica, I want to go back down there. So I tell her I say do what is best for her. Put herself first, respect herself enough. If you have your husband in Jamaica and you come from foreign Lancashire, and you can see your husband have another woman in there with pitney and you tell your husband to take her out and your husband not take her out. That means your husband don't want you. He couldn't tell me nothing at all. Anyway, guys.
Mighty God. Me shock out and me close. I listen it, you know. Me say me have to come over here so come share this with you know because me want to hear no feedback. Oh my God, man, wicked man. You want to tell me say you have one baby mother. You out there fling your seed. You know say the woman work hard over here, send her money come to Jamaica to build bill or buy house. You and her. You want to tell me say you couldn't find one woman then if you go breed somebody out there. Find somebody we have a roof over their head. You have to find somebody putting at the house where you and your wife build. Oh God, man. Whether if you don't love her no more, yes or no, this is something where you and her build. No, you wouldn't have to sell the house and give me for me part of the money. Mighty God. No, the house they have to sell and give me for me part of my money and make me go about my business. They not deserve me sanity. They not deserve it. They not deserve me peace. You wouldn't have to cut the house in a two and give me for me part if I two away money bill it. If I feel me money alone bill it, me I sell it. But then when you're married, me don't know the law of Jamaica if you have to split your dividends just like you so. Me danas, you see how people cool and heartless? Oh God, man. That the man they no love she for truth. 100% in no love her. Cause he not have no respect for her. Hey, some of them dirty man, you see, man. That's why you see, poor people cannot build wealth. Because them think, especially you see the man them, the woman them, some of the woman them do it too. Them think about yes some more than how them think about building and having a legacy. Them have to fling their seed here, there, and everywhere, and I stretch a little money, and I get where they can't find somebody where them can settle with. You understand? So she live in America, and when he want he little dividends, he can't get it. If me have my husband and he live America, I me live at Jamaica, and he say he want Nash, I mean Olivia, me I go tell him to go buy. Put a rubber pan it and go buy it. And that me go tell him already that too. The fact of the matter is, you gone out, they gonna love up and I give pitney, knowing say, we have build something. Go and go take one little chop and some buy something and nobody have no ownership with nobody. Hmm? Them sell it round, them sell it. Them sell it. So go buy a little. We all give you the money for go buy a little too. Just not have no ownership. Come back home when you're done and come sit down talk to your wife. In a me house, when me build, when me and you have together, you have woman in there. Some of them man, me I tell you. Some of them man, they make me sick to my stomach the way they treat people. That one ya hurt me. That one ya, it burn me. And I know me. But then I was gonna drop on the thoughts in the comment section. As a woman, as a man, if you is a man, I wanna watch this video. You cannot treat a woman like that. You cannot. Me nah say you can't stop man from cheat. Me nah say respect is respect if you live with your wife. Whether you and her close, agree, yes or no, respect is respect. If you have a wife, you're married to her, you and her build a house, you cannot carry bitches in the woman's house. That's not right. That is not right. Jaja. You can imagine people are tell you things. But when you talk to your husband tell you a different story. Alright? Put aside that. You say, alright, I'm gonna listen to my husband because he say nothing no go so. So per weekend when the mother come at the house, she gone. So why when the wife come and I tell her to leave, she stand up in the woman's house and I say for wait till the father comes. So when the mother come there, when the wife mother come there per weekend, she not there. She's not there. So all she find somewhere for go them time there. That the man then love the woman, he not love his wife. That the man if he move up, sell the house and give me my money. You don't have to give me money. Me don't have to take it to the court, sell my house, and just get my money and move on. Find me a daddy will love me. Them something me a heartbroken, man. Me Danas, leave on the thoughts in the comment section. Big up on yourself.